na night show.
Salt on the beat. 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 Mr. DJ, salt on the beat. Salt on the beat. Mr. DJ, salt on the beat. Mr. DJ, salt on the beat. 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 Salt on the beat.
If not long thing you need, I'm Mr. Giving you all you need. Oh, yeah, sorry.
Oh, DJ Isibit. Oh, you are a badass somebody. That song, not that part I dey wait for that time. But you can't cut the song.
I know.
You know,
I
cool
know.
though. Una welcome on top the night show onto Wazobia television channel 195 on Star Time. We dey call am Planet Star Times. My name na Kathim. If you call am Katim, you call me Catherine. All yoin. Today na bad mama yama. You dey find Nedu. Nedu dey serious. They ready to read you news today. But today we get one very interesting topic we want to talk about. You could send us on a tweet at W Night Show. Make we know the telephone number could come your screen. When you see them for your television, you go telephone us, tell us what you think. But all that one now after Nedu here couldn't give us the news on top the night show. Nedu, oh yeah, take it away.
Una, good evening and welcome to the news on top the night show for today will be 14th of January 2015. Check your time, you go see say 3 minutes and the 8 o'clock, don't shut out Okada, then 2 don't sit down for owners of corner. Where then they go them house. My name na Nedu. For my very first story of this evening, we do so we don't hear now say Mosquito Association of Nigeria man don't come outside the Konya and give them members where they for the whole country. Say make all of them make them gather for national convention where go happen for 2 different places for inside the country. Card carrying members of Mosquito Association of Nigeria where they for northern part of the country, all of them go gather for Eagle Square for Abuja 8 o'clock for night on 22 of January 2015. And the remaining members, when not there northern part of the country, all of them go gather for Teslim Balogun Stadium TBS inside Lagos, the same time and the same date. This convention so and I make all of them for know the person where then go vote for we next month election. Then president where in name be comrade Awuta Akwaranja. Yan say the way malaria take the catch people from the country, it don't reduce well. So therefore, then gas rearrange them waka, make things for go well. Oga Awuta Akwaranja still yan say the members where they hear this news so where they read, make them do 1 minute silence for them fallen heroes, mosquitoes way don't die. As soon as they watch it there, so now, una where they watch up, then kill the mosquitoes, either with your shelters, with the clapping of your hand, and other things. Right now, make we do the 1 minute silence for the mosquitoes, well, una don't kill, with shelters, clapping of hand, and other things. And then on top of another 22, we don't hear now, say, on top of another story, we don't hear now, say, the joint body when it be say the chukai on top rat the matter we don't hear say rat the matter don't come outside the knock on they complain give them members where they for inside the whole country say the way they take the range waka say it not make sense at all they don't come outside the knock on the para the vest the tear cloth they complain about the members where don't they bleach toning lighting and yellowing of them skin. Then president, what did they call Asin Agidingbe? Yan this one so for them town hall meeting when it be said then do for Expo Hall for Eco Hotel and Suite for Lagos here. Oga Asin Yan say then don't arrange special committee when it be say go chook eye on top of this matter to take for making sure say then go find any card carrying member where they see with the bleaching cream. Oga Asin silicon side the con yan. Say you where they there. Anybody where they be say you see where they bleach. Make you not waste time at all. Carry waka. Go on top of Twitter. The handle of this rat people then Twitter name be @RatNation. And then on top Instagram, rat them handle, name be Rat Race Nation. On top Instagram, Facebook, you go follow them there. And then their phone number, make you call it rat people for 080 000 222 444 888. And then for my very last story for this evening, where we did so, one court where they for inside the Kurudu for Lagos State for here. Then don't come out at the knock. Oh yeah, and they say 18 years old marriage between one motorway driver, what they call Idowu Adekunle, and the wife, what they call Oluwatoyin. Say they don't scatter them. Why? Because of say the woman not the give the man food, physically and spiritually. For this matter, so we hear say then drag the matter go court, go make Oga for court where name be Olu Adebiyi. The woman come, they say, no, now, baby, don't leave me. Don't leave me. I will change. I will change. But the man said, no, talk to the hand. Nada. So therefore, the marriage now, they have come and cancel it. Una story for the night show for today will be January 14, 2015. Now don't throw away given us so. The person will give me the story in name na Bimbo Awuyele and Ehi. My name na Nedu. Una good evening. Cordia.
Thank you, Nedu. That you are using news. I don't know where you take it that story. But when we come back from this break, may I cook water for Nedu, may you drink. With a easy bit go give us music, but make I give Nedu water, may you drink. We come back now. Oh.